Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you. Suppose you have turned on this TalkBack by mistake and here its screen doesn't move with your hands. Okay, so how you can fix? Okay, whenever you slide it says the talkback. Okay, or it used to say the just talking, the screen used to talk. Okay, this problem. So how you can fix this screen problem? You cannot slide, neither you can click on the apps. Okay, this circle used to came, or you can say triangle. So how you can fix this one? Okay, you are complicated with this problem. So how you can fix it? The first thing is that, friends, what you need to do is that you just move on setting. One time you just click on setting. Okay, suppose I click on gallery. See, I click on gallery, then after that here I click on setting again. Then here you have to tap double. Okay, it says double tap. So here you have to click double tap only how it says. Okay, so I click on double tap. After that, from here to scroll down, here you have to use your two finger. Okay, not the one finger that you are using every day. You have to use your two finger. After that, you have to scroll on the down. Then here you can see the option of the accessibility. So here you have to click on accessibility. When you click on accessibility, friends, here you have to tap on accessibility. When you click on accessibility, then click on TalkBack. Then again you have to double tap. Then again you have to click on it, this screen. Then again double tap. Then click on turn off. Then again double tap. Okay,
turn off button. Double tap to act. TalkBack off.
So here it has been turned off, and right now you can use with your one finger with your thumb. Okay, so no need to use with two finger. Okay, to slide up and down or scroll on the down and up. Okay, so you can fix like this. And friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.